Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Monzo to Google Pay. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your mobile application or your web application on Monzo. If you have not created an account on Monzo, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type monzo.com, and that's going to take you to this fantastic official website for Monzo. At the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up bar. Click on sign up and then follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, there's something that you need to know before creating an account right here is Monzo is restricted to UK residents. So if you are not residing in the UK, then you're going to have an issue with creating your account, or you'll not be able to create this account at all. Okay, so also you need to set up your account in your mobile application, because that's what you will need to set up your account right here on the web. So not all of us have the luxury of creating an account on Monzo, but we have the knowledge needed to help you through with the process. That's why we're creating this video to help you see how you can add Monzo to Google Pay. Here's how you can set up Google Pay. Now you can add your Monzo card to Google Pay if you've got a compatible Android phone. The first thing that you need to do is to download the Google Pay application from Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store, in the search bar, type Google Pay, and then download. And once you download, follow the Google Pay application instructions to add your Monzo card. And then they'll send you a code via text to check your account. And so once you have done that, you've entered the code, then you will now be able to, of course, link your Monzo card to Google Pay. So this is one of the ways, but then there is another way you can go about that. All right, because most people say that, once they go through the process of integrating their Monzo card into Google Pay, they find an issue with it. So here's how that can be resolved in the meantime. So MasterCard is currently experiencing a few issues with activating some cards for Google Pay that are beyond Monzo's control, and their engineers are looking into this, but unfortunately we don't have a time scale for the fix yet. But then in the meantime, just try the following steps, which have resolved the issues for some people. So this means that if you have gone through the previous process and it's not working, here's exactly what you can do. Remove your card from your Google Pay completely. First, close the Monzo app. So once you first close the Monzo application, open the Monzo app again and then tap Manage. Manage is to the right of your transaction field on your Monzo application. That's your mobile application, Monzo. Tap Manage, which is to the right of your transaction field. And once you click on that, the transaction feed, right? And once you click on that, you're going to see an option that says Add to GPay. So click on Add to GPay and then follow the steps to add your card to your Google Pay. That's how you can do it in the Monzo application. So remember that the other one that we went through was how to do it in Google Pay application, but this one is how to do it in the Monzo application if Google Pay doesn't work for you. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.